Christine's Awesome Things. My name is Christine, and today I am going to be talking about and showing you how to do a balloon weight. Now, as you know, most people, when they have birthday parties or events and they order balloons for the event, they use a balloon weight. Balloon weights are used to keep your balloons from floating away. Most times it's helium, whether it's foil or just latex. You need something to keep them from floating away. You see these balloons weights in stores all the time. Dollar Tree, they're $1 a piece. In other places, they're higher. Thing is, balloon weights are very simple to make. All you need is something that's going to have weight to it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own. And remember, when you make a balloon weight, you can do them in any color that you choose. If you have, let's say, Christmas wrapping paper left over, if you turn it on the white side, you can make a balloon weight. If you have children, and let's say you're doing balloons, you have a dozen balloons, and you want to put balloons in each corner, 4 balloons in each corner, 3 balloons in each corner, whatever. You're going to need something to hold it down to keep it from floating away. Thing is, you end up paying extra for those balloon weights. If you make your own, whatever you use inside of it to hold that weight, you can reuse and make balloon weights again for the next child or for the next event in any color that you want. And it saves you money. All you need is a piece of wrapping paper, or like this right here. This I use for a Valentine's Day project, and I had it left over. So you just want to cut out a piece that's big enough to the size that you want. And then I'm doing mine in circle. You could do it in square if you want to. And put a plate, turn the plate upside down, place it where you want. Mark it around so that you'll have a guide to where you want to cut. Then you just want to cut out your paper. It's very, very simple. So right now all I'm doing is cutting out the circle that I had made around the paper. There you have it. Now, because this is a Valentine's Day paper, I can actually put it on either side, the iridescent or the red. These right here are aquarium beads or crystal beads. It doesn't matter which one you get. You can get them from the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Walmart, whatever. The key thing is they're reusable. Now, I have 20 of these little beads in here. This is actually pretty heavy. This right here will actually hold down 3 balloons. So 20 of these beads right here will hold down 3 balloons. So let's just say you want to add some more balloons. You have some big helium balloons. You would add a little more. Then, I just have a rubber band here, just as an example. You can actually use ribbon, or, rubber band. You can even use yarn. Let's just say that you have wrapping paper and you have yarn that happen to be in the color of whatever event. I'm just putting a rubber band around here just to close it off. Once the rubber band around, I could just spread it out a little bit like so. And now I have my balloon weight. Very, very simple, very easy. And I can actually bring this down a little bit to be closer. But guess what? When I do the balloons, I can bring it down further. I can bring it up. I can, you know, do whatever color I want to. And I have this right here. And when the event is over, guess what? I can pop the balloons, pick this up, snap it open, and guess what? Pour the beads back in here for the next time. I may even save this for next year. Or if my grandkids are having a birthday party that's pink and white or red and white or whatever, I already have this right here. I save practically everything for my projects. So, voila. Now I have this. Doing the round ones are actually easier. The square ones, you kind of have to pull them up better and make sure you catch everything in. But it's the same concept. As long as you have your weight and something to tie it to, you have your balloon weight. Simple, easy, whatever you use, it could be reusable. Here's another thing. You don't have these and you have a whole collection of pennies, put some pennies in there. Pennies hold weight. Put the pennies in there and tie them off good after your event. Collect your balloon weights. Guess what? Beans. Beans can go in there. You want to do beans? Put your beans in there. Close it up. Instead of bringing the beans home, just toss the whole thing. I know all of us got some beans in our cabinets that we don't want. Okay? So, beans or you know, anything that you are not using and it has some weight to it, put it in there, tie it off, use it as a balloon weight. If you don't want to use what's inside, throw it away. But if it's something like pennies or beads or something like that, hey, bring it home, open it up, pour it back in there, and you have it for your next event. Why spend money on something that you can do yourself that you probably have at home already? All right. My name is Christine. If you like this video, like and subscribe.